We start by filling out the RSVP form. Enter the full name, email address, phone number, attendance status, and number of accompanying guests. While you see submitting, the React application is sending the information to Google Sheets. The spreadsheet automatically stores the guest details, generates a unique ID, and sends an email to the guest with their QR code, all happening simultaneously. At this point, you can see in the sheet that the guest is not checked in yet. The checked in column is still set to false. Next, we scan the QR code. The QR simply combines the unique ID with the app script verification URL. You can scan it with your phone, it works instantly. Once the QR code is scanned, a unique verification page opens saying, "Welcome." At the same time, the sheet updates the checked-in status to true. Now, because this system is designed to prevent multiple entries, each QR code can only be used once. So let's try scanning the same QR code again. And boom, you get an error message saying the QR code has already been used. Thanks for watching.